Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play video in Unity. First, ensure your video file is in a supported format like MP4 or WebM. Then, simply drag and drop your video asset into the project window within the Unity editor. Next, create a new game object, perhaps an empty one, and add a video player component to it. This component is the core of video playback. Once the video player component is added, drag your imported video asset from the project window into the video clip field. Next, choose a render mode to determine how the video is displayed. Options include rendering directly to a camera's far plane or using a render texture for more control. Finally, customize settings like whether the video should loop or its playback speed. For dynamic control, you'll want to write a C# script. Get a reference to your video player component in your script. You can then call methods like play, pause, and stop to control the video's state. Additionally, you can subscribe to events, such as the loop point reached event, to trigger actions when the video finishes playing or loops. Beyond basic playback, consider using render textures to display your video on specific 3D objects or UI elements, offering greater visual flexibility. You can also integrate UI buttons to give users interactive control over playing, pausing, or seeking through the video. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This allows for a more polished and user-friendly experience within your Unity application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.